Hey, Howard here at 82 Maple, and if you've been following the last couple of episodes, best birthday ever! Yes, equipment, new gloves, new boots, new tools. You know what? Coral's really clever. The way to a man's heart is through tools and gloves and boots.
What you got there, big guy?
Okay, so with age comes wisdom. Apparently, there's also a whole lot of other things that come with age, but I got my first safety toe boots in, 50 years. Yes, I did the count. And look at this. I love my laces. I love how they cinch up. They're just amazing. They've got a really nice wide toe box, which I need, and they have a high arch, which I need, and they have old man laces, which I need. Doesn't get any better than this. Hey, I love birthdays. But she's more clever than that. She's discovered that the way to getting hobby farm projects done in any weather, projects large and small, is to get Howard new boots, new gloves, new tools and equipment. And I get so excited about all of that I'll work from morning till late. I get what I want, she gets what she wants, and let's see what's in the box today. Well, if it isn't a Milwaukee fence stapling gun. If you're familiar with nail guns or the Milwaukee nail gun, this will look very familiar. And we got some 1.5" staples here. Vicious looking little critters, aren't they? So it will, and I have not tried this yet, so just bear with me. How do we put these in again? Looks like this is the way we do it. That these go on. Okay, I'm gonna figure that out, and there'll be an in-depth review of this coming right up. But the really cool thing about this is, number one, the normal fence stapling process consists of the following. Hook a thumb through the wire, hold the wire onto the post, hold a nail in there, a fence staple in there somehow, hammer, hit your thumb, swear, hammer, repeat. And so this is going to take a lot of that out of the equation. And we've got about 1,000 feet of fencing that we're undertaking here this year. And so you do the math on that, posts an average of 8 feet apart. That's 120 posts. Even at 5 staples per post, that's 600 staples. This is going to speed up the process. And again, in-depth review coming at you. And for now, we're heading out to put this wonderful new tool to serious work. Coral Dawn.
Eating popcorn.
Oh yeah.
My afternoon snack.
So we got the fence posts in, and now we're taking out a bunch of stuff, including a newly painted fence stretcher. And no, it's not a fancy paint job, but at least I'll be able to spot it in the tall grass, and it'll mostly be protected from the rust. And we've got some bent over fence posts that we're gonna leave for another day, another time, but we have to put some pegs in behind and straighten them up. And we have a gate that we have to put in, and all sorts of fun stuff. We're just having way too much fun here. But Coral's having even more fun than me because she's into the popcorn. Like, this is better than a movie, and so we're definitely bringing popcorn. So our little fencing undertaking is not without its little challenges. So we're loaded up with tools and equipment, and what we're doing is we're not going to do, as Coral said, a complete overhaul of this entire fence. This borders a neighbor's property. Our horses were leaning over eating their hay. Our dogs were jumping over or going under. And So we've got all the tools, all the equipment, all the supplies going on here. And now it's muscle. And as you can tell, it's not exactly a warm day, but wow, the right equipment really makes the difference. And so just loving that post hole auger on the front of the mini excavator, as opposed to the apparatus I had before, which was a 3-point hitch off the back of the 4066. And so the advantage that this offers over the 3-point hitch arrangement or a 1 or 2 person post hole auger is we're able to reach right over the neighbor's fence, and they know we're doing this, and reach right up and over and down in there and drill out where the old post came out of. This one's going to be a little bit tricky. I've got an overhanging tree here. Let's see how it does. But we're chugging along, and yeah, we'll give you a glimpse of that Milwaukee nail gun. Coral is really enjoying it, and setting the staples depth appropriately. And again, what a difference from hammer and staple. And yeah, those black and blue thumbnails, yeah, I've had enough of those in my life. Time to take that fun out of the equation. Let's do this. Now let's throw one on the top.